Hello, hi everybody, it's me Didi. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do the makeup look requested by you guys because I post this picture on my Twitter and then you guys asked me to do the makeup tutorial. Not makeup tutorial. I'm going to show you how I do this eye makeup look. If you want to know how I do this makeup look, just keep on watching. But first, YouTube, play my intro. I'm going to start with my eyebrows. If you notice in that picture, my eyebrows are purple. I use this Life in a Bubbles palette from KAMELIA Cosmetics. I use this purple right here. I'm just going to fill in my eyebrow. I'm going to start here. Just fill the eyebrows like usual, like I used to do. Another eyebrow. Here. What is this? Ooh, I overdraw it. It's okay, it's okay. We're gonna fix it later with the concealer. Look at that. Whatever. So right now we're going to conceal our eyebrow. Now I'm setting the concealer with powder. I'm going to do the eyeshadows. So the best color for that eye makeup look is purple, and actually I use 4 shades of purple. One of the shades I use from this eye makeup palette, Jellyfish, and the other 3 shades of purple I use from this eye palette. These 3. Okay, let me be honest with you guys. I never plan or sketch my eye look. I was looking at the picture and then I picked some colors from that picture and I was like, okay, whatever, just create the eyeshadow looks. I just put on the color. So to be honest, I don't remember how I get that color. I just put the eyeshadow and I blend. I put another shades and I blend. Let's pray for today's look the color will be the same as the picture because I really don't remember how I do that. I'm going to apply the latest shade first. I'm going to put on the crease like this. Just blend them together. So for blending, I'm going to use my blending brush. Same shade of purple, I'm going to spread the color upwards. This is my way to apply the eyeshadow. I always put my mirror down. When you put your mirror down, your eyelid will open widely. If you go like this, you cannot see the rest of the eyelid right here. We're going to apply the darker shade, which is right here. And then we blend. Okay, I'm going to apply the other shade of purple here. Okay, I'm going to take this palette right here and then apply the purple shade. So to make it smooth, I actually put a little bit pink color, this one right here. I'm going to apply on the top of the eyeshadow. I hope I get the color. Now I'm going to do the blend it. Actually the cut crease eyeshadow look. Using this concealer from Maybelline, I'm going to create the cut crease. Another tips how you know where is your cut crease would be, I put a little concealer right here and then I do like this, and then you can see the concealer right here, and then there is where your cut crease would be. So like here, and then you put, and then you go right here, and this where. We're going to color the planet. And again, I don't remember how I colored the planet, but let's pray for the best. So using the same palette, I use every shimmer color in this palette, but the lightest one. To put pink, using the same brush. Little pink up here. I hope I get the same design. Purple down here. Okay, we have blue here. Mix the color together. Oh, this one is bright. Blue at the end of the eye here. Pink here. Orange. So you can go with yellow. And to blend them together, like here. Like on the edges, we're going to blend them. That's how I do the candy planet. I think I'm done with the eyeshadows. We're going to go on the detail of the eye makeup look. I'm going to show you my secret box. Inside here, I have like my fake lashes. I have like my fake lashes that I always use. This is like the tools that I always use. In this box, I have a lot of colored eyeliners. And also I have glitter eyeliners. This one right here, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. For the planet, I'm going to use the white eyeliner. So yeah, that's how I do the outline of the planet. I put glitter eyeliner, but I don't remember which one. I think it's silver one. I'm going to use glitter eyeliner and then put on top of the white eyeliner. It's so pretty in real life. I am sad that it doesn't show up in the camera. Next detail is the ring of the planet. So using the same white eyeliner, start up here and then we go down here. Ooh, on the bottom is like thicker. Okay, I'm done with the ring. We're going to color the ring right now. I'm going to create the details on the ring of the planet. So using these 5 colors of eyeliner, I'm going to put the pink one first, the lightest shade among all, on the ring of the planet, like that. Next color is yellow. Next is blue, green, last but not least, orange. I'm going to apply gold glitter eyeliner, just a line at the bottom. We're almost done. Okay, the next detail is the glitter or like stars on the purple eyeshadows. I'm going to put these 2 glitter eyeliners, the silver one and also the purple one. Silver glitter eyeliner. So I'm going to put the glitter eyeliner like this. Now I'm going to apply the purple glitter eyeliner. Just fill in the blank. We have to wait for it to dry first. For the eyeshadow right here, I don't remember which purple, but I think this one right here, and then I mix with this one. I don't really remember, but whatever. Apply on the bottom of the eyes. Then take the pink color and then just blend them together. For the inner corner, I don't remember yellowish color, but I think this too, I think it's alright. I'm going to apply the glitter eyeliner on the bottom of the eye. And also I put the glitter eyeliner on my eyebrows. Yes. Okay, we are almost done. Wait, I also don't remember which fake lashes I use. I don't remember, but I think this one. To apply the glue. Oh, it's too much. So while waiting for the glue on the eyelashes to dry a little bit, we're going to do our mascara. Going to apply the lashes. I'm going to go with the details on the inner corner. Okay, for the inner corner, I use this, I don't know, this is a CmaaDU Beauty. I don't know what it's called. It has like this type of, I don't know what it's called, like seriously. Like it's not a sticker, it's like, what we call this? That photo, I used the silver one.
One eternity later.
So I'm back with the eyeshadows on my both eyes. So as I already did both of my eyes, I'm going to finish a whole face makeup. So yeah, now I'm going to contour my face. Ooh. Oh. Wait, I forgot about the stars. Wait, I will be right back. So I'm back with the stars on the inner corner of my eyes. Now it's blusher time. Like basah. So yeah guys, I think that's that. This is the final look for the makeup look today. I'm going to be honest with you guys, this makeup, the whole process is 2 hours. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much you guys for watching. See you on this video. Bye bye.